R.K. Anand's book on Neera Radia that contains transcripts of the Radia tapes. Now, Neera Radia had approached the Delhi High Court seeking the stay on the book release. Rhythm joins us for the news pit for more on the story. Rhythm, what exactly is the book about and what has the High Court said?
Well, Tanvi, what really has happened is, like you rightly said, she has got relief from the Delhi High Court. It's a controversial book that we're talking about here. It's a book written by senior advocate R.K. Anand himself, in which he's detailing conversations that he had with Neera Radia. It also focuses on the controversial Radia tapes. Now, we have to remember at this point of time, the matter will now be heard in July. But till then, what's really happened is there has been an injunction on the book, a stay on that book. No longer will that book be seen in the bookstores. It's a book that contains critical information about Neera Radia. But very clearly, she did not want this to be made public. That's the real reason why this stay was achieved from the Delhi High Court. It's a single bench that's given the stay. At the same time, we have to remember the matter will come in July. But for now, Tanvi, what we have to also see is we spoke to Mukul Rohatgi, senior advocate who appeared for Neera Radia in the Delhi High Court. Very clearly, he attacked R.K. Anand, raised questions rather, on his actual character himself. Finally, he went on to defend Neera Radia. Let's listen into what he has to say.
We also argued that there are some chapters in the book relating to the situation where the author was a lawyer for KLM and KLM was being represented by Neera Radia at that time. So it has, wrong information about those cases and putting Neera Radia in a bad light even in those cases. A lawyer-client relationship is protected as confidential and privileged under the Indian law. And no lawyer or a party has a right to disclose privileged information. Apart from the fact that every fact which is stated in the book is wrong and is tainted with malice. And therefore the court was pleased to grant an injunction.